What's up, hog hunters? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs Fishing, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood. As y'all know, we like to run those Okuma SSTs and those pure fishing reels. Abu Garcia, Mitchell, and Pfluger. Some of y'all have been asking us about the St. Croix and the Luz, whether we like them or whether we don't. If you haven't been tracking, we recently picked up a Luz Mach 1 combo and a St. Croix Triumph Ultralight, testing out for y'all. We ended up getting permission from a local farmer, said we could fish his creek, thought there'd be some big fish in there. The footage you're about to see was intended to be B-roll for what we got coming up in store for this, and we'll get to that later. We went down there for about an hour and everything just came together well, so we're gonna put this video out. We hope you guys enjoy this. During this video, we're fishing two different methods. In the beginning, we're fishing a trout magnet jig head, a red one, with two white Berkeley honeyworms, and then later we switched to just a size 6 eagle claw hook, no jig head. Both of these methods were catching fish, and we hooked up to some Huskers, even a couple lunkers, baby. Stay tuned. Sunday, we got the full review of this Luz St. Croix combo coming up. It's gonna be our first episode of Train, Tested, and Proven. We don't do gear reviews. We're not here to brag about our stuff. We're here to give you guys honest intelligence about gear, how it works, what we like about it. Figure after that 50 fish mark, we're gonna start putting out videos, Train, Tested, and Proven with Corporal Hood, and that's right, this Luz Mach 1 and St. Croix Triumph has officially been tested and proven. You got that coming out Sunday. Remember, like, subscribe, share. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, giving away that Dragon's Egg, that Chad Powell special, and probably a couple other cool things. Stay motivated, keep it tight. We hope you enjoy this video.
Fish on, fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Wow, it's a big one. He took it ever so lightly. Wow, it's a Husker. Where's he at? Wow, it's a monster, y'all. Jesus. Look at this thing right in front of me. What a Husker. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he's huge. He's running circles around me, y'all. Wow, this is Shadow Creek. He's just running circles around me. I've never seen this before. There he goes. Wow. Wow, it's a big one. It's a big one. Oh, look at that Husker right on the lip, y'all. Wow. Look at that Husker, y'all. Monster. Man. Fish on. Big. Big and again. He's another large one. Wow. Man. He's not as big, he's just running like a ton of bricks. He's a little guy. Husker still though, it's a Husker. Let's get him in here. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, he's around like a vine. There we go. Fish on. He's trying to get around me. Gotta make sure you're switching them out. Look at that. Look at that. It's a biggin. It's a biggin. It's a biggin, y'all. Look at him go. Wow. Y'all see that? He's a lunker. Ooh, we better not play around. He's a big one. He's coming at me. He's coming at me. He's running right at me. Ooh. Running right at me. Oh, he took off again right in front of the net. Oh, man. Another monster, y'all. Look at that. Right on the lip. Oh, I lost him. Oh, he was huge. Damn, I had his tail and everything, dude. Oh, we're gonna give this a try without the jig head. Just regular size 6 eagle claw. It's a big one. Look at that Husker, y'all. What a beauty. Some big ones in here.
We hope y'all enjoyed that video. Remember, stay tuned. Sunday, 11 o'clock, first episode, Train, Test, and Improving with Corporal Hood, and that Lose Mach 1 combo with that St. Croix Triumph has been tested and proven. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, giving away that Dragon's Egg backpack and that Chad Powell special, available in brook trout, rainbow trout, brown trout, and potentially golden rainbow trout scales for the handle. Probably a couple other cool items in there as well. If y'all like what you see and want to support the channel, we do got hats, Richardson 6 panels, got the Marine Corps dress blues, and that classic black SHH Fishing right there on the back. Those are 30 bucks a piece. Comment below if you want one. Can't tell y'all how much we appreciate the support. This video has been brought to you in part by NIMROD Fish and Wildlife Association, Alberta's PA. We got links to the Dragon's Egg, Chad Powell, and their Facebook down below. Stay motivated, keep it tight, shirts coming, Single Hook Hogs out.